Hey, welcome back, Tyler, Pump Track Locator. So we're in the town of Leavenworth, Washington. It's about a 3-hour drive from Seattle. It's on the east side of the mountains in Washington State, and we're visiting their pump track today as well as a few other ones. Leavenworth's a Bavarian village, so the whole town is themed kind of is in a Bavarian German theme. Tons of places to get good food, tons and tons of restaurants, places to stay, little shops, but we're here to see the pump track, so we're going to go ahead and film this and do our same normal routine. We're going to try to do a drone shot of it. We're going to film it right now and talk about it a little bit, talk about where we're at, obviously. And then as you can see, it's a pretty sweet pump track, Velosolutions. This one, being it's in a pretty popular tourist town, has a ton of videos on it already. So I'm going to do our typical ride through, which I haven't seen a lot of those, but the pump track itself is a super nice pump track. Lots of different corners, lots of different looks like lots of different sections. Just looking at it, I haven't ridden it yet, so I'm gonna do that now. And it's a lot bigger than it looks when you first pull up on it. So got a couple different, got their cool Velosolutions logo right there, and it looks like you got several different ways to go into this thing. It rained last night, so you got a little bit of water, but that's not on the path. And then a little bit about the area we're in. You've got some baseball, you got restrooms, you've got a skate park, you got a playground in the back. So pretty excited to ride this. So I'm gonna get the drone out, I'm gonna get my bike out, and we're gonna take a quick ride through of this, and then we're gonna try to hit couple more, so stay. Leavenworth Pump Track, just kind of get a feel for it, see what it's all about. Multiple sections. Okay, one more ride through the Leavenworth Pump Track. So quick note on this track, it's actually two tracks in one, so they mirror each other. So I'm out here on the left side, and so the left side matches 100%, but you do have some sections down the middle here to tie it together, so that's kind of fun. So multiple sections, so you can actually ride through here and around, go around that way, or you can do a center kind of loop and turn it into almost like a W shape. So it's got, or you could actually have two riders go through and almost do like a race. So it's pretty neat. So I'm gonna go through a couple more times, then try to get the drone out, and then head to the other tracks. Hey, gonna continue with some vlogging on each one of our videos here. So we just left the Leavenworth Pump Track. It was pretty fun. Rode it for about 25 minutes. It wasn't anything spectacular. We may have been spoiled by a few of the other larger pump tracks over in Colorado. But we're heading to Kashmir, Washington. It's about a 15-minute drive. This is Highway 2, so if you don't know the area, Highway 2 kind of intersects over off I-5 up in Everett, and you can continue all the way into Wenatchee, and then you can continue out 97 and a few other roads over to Cle Elum, Ellensburg, Yakima, Walla Walla, so on. And what we're going to try to do today is we're going to hit the Kashmir one, stop into Wenatchee, grab some lunch, and then hit the pump tracks in Wenatchee, East Wenatchee, which is just across the bridge, Columbia River, and then we're going to try to hit Quincy, and then unfortunately going to have to go back and do some work in Cle Elum, which is the whole reason we're over here on the east of the mountains today. And only other warning on this is Highway 2, and go the speed limit, because every friend, every person, every parent I know has been pulled over on this road for going over the speed limit. They are pretty attentive at getting you pulled over. So anyway, a little vlogging, let you know where we're at. I'll maybe show you some other interesting facts over here. I grew up on this side of the mountains here in Washington State. All right, thanks a lot. Okay, so we're pulling off Highway 2 here. This is Applett's Way. It drops you right into Kashmir. Across the, I don't know what river this is. I believe this is the Wenatchee River. I should actually know that. I'll put a comment there. And then this is down here on Riverside Drive. The pump track is right down next to the water. There's a little park here. Ironically, I've driven by here, but I didn't know there was a pump track here. So it's kind of interesting.